Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have GLOSSYBOX Summer Limited Edition bag. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. All right, you guys. So again, the summer limited edition bag for 2022 just arrived. They did send me this for review. So thank you so much, GLOSSYBOX, for sending me your bag to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, this bag is super cute. I opened up, it came in an outer box, and I opened up that thinking it might just be my normal monthly box inside. And I saw this and I was like, what in the world? And then it says the Flatlay Co. London with GLOSSYBOX. So it was a collab with both of them together that collaborated this. So I was like, oh my goodness. I have not opened the bag, but I did run to their website just to see if A, it was on there yet so I can get some information. B, know what to tell you guys as far as like when it's going to be available, and it's not available just yet. But on their website, when I went to it, I did get a little bit more information. So for this right here, it says, get ready for the best summer ever. We've partnered with the Flatlay Co. to bring you an exclusive travel bag filled to the top with fantastic beauty treats. Plus, there's a chance to find a golden ticket and win a prize from Touchland. That's awesome. So this right here says it's back and it's oh so tropical. A travel beauty collection you can take anywhere. Our third annual summer limited edition has a tropical makeover for 2022. This year, we've partnered with the Flatlay Co. to bring you an exclusive design on their best-selling multifunctional box bag. And there's some incredible beauty brands to discover inside. It says subscribers will have early priority access from 12 p.m. Eastern or 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on Thursday, July 31st. So for subscribers only, this will launch on Thursday, the 21st. If you are not a subscriber, it will then be available for you on July 22nd while supplies last. So if you are not a subscriber and you wanted to save a little bit of money and get early access, you can sign up for their monthly beauty box, and then you will receive a discount on this and you'll have early access to get this on Thursday. If you're not, no problem. All it is just $5 more, and you can get this on Friday while supplies last. So for subscriber price, it will be discounted to $30. Non-subscribers can grab this for only $35. Now, let's see if we have like some type of a clue on how much it's supposed to be filled with. I don't know what the value is supposed to be on this, but it does say that this right here is the Tropical Vibes box bag. The Flatlay Co. are the experts when it comes to makeup bags, and their box bag will become your ultimate travel companion. The compact shape transforms when unzipped into a wide open tray, so you can easily see everything inside. There's even spaces to hold your brushes and an inner pocket to store small items like jewelry or hair elastics. Then, when you're ready to go, simply pull the zipper and all your products are instantly scooped up safely inside. This right here, for just this bag alone, has a value of $25. So just this bag alone is worth $25, not including anything that is inside. I do have some pricing here, but I don't think everything. So I'm so excited to dive in. Again, this is how it looks. Super tropical. You can see like it looks like maybe an elastic that holds this together, and then you have a nice little handle here. I love the colors. So let's see. Alrighty, and then that covers like some of the zipper. I haven't seen that before. And then you have the little thing here, and then oh, and that side. So literally, like it said, it opens up to a tray. I have never seen that before. It literally just opens up to a nice little tray. All your stuff is inside. It does have the little zipper pocket here. Let me dump everything out. There are 9 products inside this bag. So right here is where it was saying you can hold your makeup brushes. There's like 3 little things you can slide down on the side there. And then there is a zipper here. Right there is the zipper pocket. That is really nice. And then you just zip it up, like it said. It stays all here. There you go. So now let's see what's inside. The first thing I'm gonna go with is this right here, and it says it's a makeup removing cloth. Oh, it's plural. So includes 3 cloths. So there's 3 makeup removing cloths down in here. I absolutely love using makeup cloths, and I have quite a few of them, and you wash them and you reuse them, so they last a very long time. So I would rather pass this down for one of you guys to enjoy because I absolutely love them. They help get just a little extra off of my eyes and stuff like that. It says removes makeup using only water, and this is by the Vintage Cosmetics. Again, there's 3 of them in there. They look like they're all a dark blue with stars on them. There's 5 items listed here that does tell me a retail value, and this is not one of them. So I'm not sure, but there's 3 of them in there, and that's great to have 3 and not just 1. That's definitely a good thing. Now we have is by Volition Mineral Prismatic Luminizing Shield SPF 30. It says the weightless breathable formula behind, is that it? Yeah. Volition's Mineral Prismatic Luminizing Shield makes it the anti-sunscreen for sunscreen haters. And the pearl finish makes it a joy to wear every day. This is a full-size product worth $35. So this alone is worth this entire set for non-subscribers. Bag, products, everything all included is this value in itself, and you have all the other stuff. So that's cool that one product equals a value for the entire thing. And this is what it looks like. And I am all about sunscreen. This says this is the anti-sunscreen for all the sunscreen haters. I am not a sunscreen hater. I love some sunscreen. That is a really cute package though. Look at that. Sunscreen is very, very important to me. I always tell you guys that. It looks like it is going to be tinted, so it probably will give you a little voluminous glow to it. That's what it looks like on my skin. And then we'll just smear it around and see. Yeah, it does give you like a nice little shiny glow. I don't really smell anything, and at least it broke down, like the color and everything did go blend perfectly right into my skin, so there's no like white residue or anything like that. So that is a nice one, and again, I love sunscreen. All right, so next up is this product right here. It says, in the heat of summer, the cooling effect of this firming icy cold cleanser is super refreshing and contains AHAs to help smooth and soften skin. This is a travel size, and this is worth $7. So that's one other thing that I really like about GLOSSYBOX is if there is a travel size, mini size, a smaller version in your box, they tell you the true valued price for your size. Not just, okay, the full size would be this and you have a little size, so figure it out. No, they tell you this is the travel size and this is worth $7. And if it's an icy cold cleanser, oh my gosh, I am going to love using that. Ooh, it smells kind of like it has like a menthol-y scent to it, so I can pick up now why it's saying the cooling effect. So it probably has some type of something in it to make it feel really nice and refreshing. This would be extremely nice to use in the summer. So great thing to have in a summer themed limited edition bag. So next we have, it says Sunset Rituals, the signature conditioner. And then I do see something here says Moon Dust Hair Wash Mini. So I'm not sure if this is going to be a shampoo, but if so, it would have been nice if it was a matching set, is all I'm saying. Oh, this I think is on here. This says travel friendly and easy to use. These makeup removing cloths are super soft on the skin and can be paired with a cleanser or simply used alone with water. Full size value valued at $9.99. So sorry, this was on there. It was the last one listed, and it didn't say the Vintage Cosmetics, so I didn't put 2 and 2 together right away. So back to this. It looks like we have a shampoo and we have a conditioner. So again, this one is the signature conditioner, and it's by VOI. And then this one here is Moon Dust Hair Wash Mini. So I'm not sure if maybe they do send both and they ran out, so I got 2 different ones, or if this just literally has 2 different ones in there, because again, it's not listed. So I'm not quite sure for the shampoo and conditioner what should be in here, and there's no card. Yeah, it says another sneak peek is coming soon, so maybe in another day or 2. This one here, I'm going to show you. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. There's tons of fingerprints all around the outside and on the top. Like, can you see right there? That is what's all around the whole outside, the whole side. There's fingerprints all over it. I don't know, this has a good scent to it. I just dumped everything out. I didn't even touch it yet. So those aren't my grimy fingerprints. That's for sure. This says it's a Crema Restoratio 24. I have no clue what in the world that says back there. Here is the brand name. And this one here says, target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness with this Crema Restorative something 24 moisturizer from Borghese. I do not like butchering names. I do it all the time anyway. There's watermelon extracts to hydrate and seaweed to protect against damage of UV. This is a deluxe mini worth $34.65. Is that why it kind of smelled like a nice little sweet scent? Maybe because of the watermelon. It has a really nice scent to it. So I'm excited to try it out. Let me clean it so it just looks a little bit better in my head. There we go. There we go. So there's that. Next we have is a little product here. It says Aromatherapy Associates Revive Morning Bath and Shower Oil. The ritual, add 2 capsules to your bath or smooth it over your body before showering. So there's a bath and shower oil. That's not on this one so far, so I don't know the price on that one. And then now we have is something in this box. Ooh, are you a perfume? Yeah, I think you are. It says tester. I personally have never received or have been given a bottle this big, but it straight had tester sticker. Can't even talk. A tester sticker right on the back of it. No wonder why it came in a plain white box. It's a tester. Are they supposed to put testers in boxes? I'm so confused with that one. This one is not on here either. There's only one more, and I have one more product in front of me. So I'm going to try to smell this. Ever since I got sick in the very beginning of this year and I lost all my taste and smell for months, once I finally started getting it back, some days I can smell, I would think normal, and then some days I don't know what in the world is going on. For example, I smelled something that was for my chickens, and the first time I opened it up, it reminded me of an ice cream shop. Like literally, I thought it smelled so good. It was like a sweet ice cream parlor smell. The next day, I opened it up to feed it to my chickens, and it was not. It was nothing that seemed appealing at all. The scent was definitely way different. I had my man smell it that day, and he was like, yeah, no, that doesn't smell good. I'm like, why yesterday it smelled like an ice cream shop to me is beyond me, but that's just how this is working. Sometimes it could smell right, and sometimes it doesn't, and I don't know. I'm only telling you what I smell. So that being said, short story long, let's get this spray and see what this tester smells like. Ooh, it does actually smell really good. It does smell good. So this YUZU Sole Notes Paris, that it does actually smell good though. I don't think I have anything that's like that. I'm just so thrown off with this tester. Next we have is a product by, it says Nude Sticks All Over Face Blush Color. All right, so it looks like this. Cream blush is great for adding a pinch of natural color and revealing a youthful glow. And we're obsessed with this Nudies Matte Blush from Nudie Stick. This is a deluxe mini worth $9. And I don't wear blush, so I will definitely save this for one of you guys. But that is what the color looks like. That does look like a really pretty, like mauve-y type color to it. Let me see if it says anywhere. Mini Nudies Matte Naughty and Spice is what the color is for that. Naughty and Spice. And again, that is valued for this for $9. So that is all of the pricing that I could find that was already their sneak peeks listed. The other ones I'm not quite sure just yet, but all in all for this whole entire thing and the bag, $30 for subscribers, $35 for non-subscribers, and this product right here is worth $35 on its own, and these two right here are $35 by itself. So I really like this bag. I think it's really, really unique in how it opens. I've never seen cha-ching, anything like that. And you can toss all your stuff in there, zip it up, use this for anything, travel friendly, all of that. And I think it's super pretty with the beautiful little print on it. So that is everything that came in this summer box. So you guys comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the theme? What did you think of the items that they put inside of it? Let me know. They also now today, because I received this yesterday, and then today in the mail, I received another box, and I was like, oh, maybe that's the monthly box, the July box. When I opened it up, I was like, wait, you look very, very familiar. Female founded box. I already unboxed this one, and I showed you guys it. I had unboxed it before it was actually released. This is what it looks like. If you want to know exactly what's inside of it, I will show you the picture that I unboxed for this, or I'll show you the thing from their website. But everything is down inside of here. I don't want to open this one or anything because I want to just pass this down to one of you guys. Like I said, I already did receive this and I already did the video on it. So I'm not quite sure, must be a shipping thing, but every other time this has happened, they've let me just pass it down to you. So that's just what I'm going to do. So if you are interested in this box, if you didn't see this video and you want to know everything that's in it, you can just go hop on over to my other video, check it out. You can see everything that's inside. But if you are interested in this, it's all products inside that are female founded. That's why it's the female founded limited edition box. But I'm going to go ahead and pass this down to one of you guys. So if you are interested in this, all you need to do is the simple, easy rules that I do with all of my giveaways. So number one, you must be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do what I do, to give back to those of you that are here positively supporting me on my channel. I want to say thank you because I greatly appreciate all of you guys. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's free, and then you can enter, no problem. So number one, you must be subscribed to my channel. Number two, give this video a big thumbs up. Number three, you must leave one comment down below. You can leave as many comments as you want, but only one of them entering in to make it fair for everybody entering. So one comment with the words "sharing is caring." That is how you will enter. You also need to have a United States address for me to mail this to. I don't care where you live, as long as I'm paying for a US shipping address to mail it to. And then you must be over the age of 18 or have somebody that is over the age of 18 to enter in for you, so I can communicate with an adult to get addresses and that kind of thing. And that is it. Simple and sweet. Subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, one comment down below with the words that I just said so you can enter in, be over the age of 18, and have a United States address for me to mail them to. That is all. Simple and sweet. I will have this run for 1 week. At the end of the week, I will use a random comment picker to cipher through the comments that say sharing is caring. And then if it does pick you, I will comment back to your comment. Make sure it comes from my account only that looks like this, and it comes from my SheCrafty, has my logo, has my name only, and it says these words right here. This is what I say to you guys all the time. I ask you to reach out to me, and then I can verify, you know, if you want to make sure you are talking to me first before you give addresses, that kind of thing. There's just a lot of scams going on right now when there is giveaways involved, so just please make sure it comes from my channel only. Please make sure it's only from my channel. It's only from me. And then I will comment to your comment saying congratulations, you are the current winner, and have 48 hours to respond back to me. And if you do not respond within the 48 hours, I will have the random comment picker choose a new winner. The new winner will have the same rules, so on and so forth, until I get a confirmed win. Down below in the description box, we'll have all the official rules, the official end date, if there's any questions. And once this is over, it'll say congratulations to so-and-so, and then it'll say has 48 hours to confirm, or it will say confirmed. If it still says has 48 hours to confirm, hold tight. I might have to choose the new winner. The new winner might be you, but I do giveaways on my channel as much as I can, because again, I do want to show my appreciation to tell you guys thank you so much for sticking it out and watching my videos and hanging out with me. So that is everything, you guys. I showed you the new limited edition summer bag, which was super cute with a lot of neat products. I'm still tripping on this tester situation over here. And a mismatched shampoo and conditioner. But other than that, everything else seems like really great products, and I really like that bag. But let me know what you thought. And this right here will go to one of you guys. This female founded box will go to a new home, and you will hopefully enjoy all the products inside of that. So that is it. Go ahead and comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.